When the morning feels refreshed, that means your night was full of bliss. Slumberzone brings you the most advanced Tripedic springs that ensures nothing cuts in while you are in your dream world. It is 10 times stronger than the regular pocket coils. Its triple coils are engineered for dynamic controlled rebound and progressive support. The Tripedic pocket springs are boxed scientifically to form a tripedic zone in the mattress, which provides enhanced back support in the desired regions. Sleep better with Slumberzone.